Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Janela Salvador at Jane Delian pinagpistahan dahil sa kanilang pagkaldag sa kanilang IG live habang sila ay nasa Las Vegas. Narito ang buong video mga ka-DJ, panoorin natin.
It's not that cool. I know. Never mind. Joke lang. Ako ma'am, pag sinabi ko yun. Okay. Now what? Saan tayo? Saan tayo? Shucks. Wait, saan tayo? Doon yung ano. Ano kaya natin bumalik? So kami lang pag-isa. Ay, dalawa. Wala. Wala kami kasama. Magdalawa. Ito yung outfit namin ngayon. Bam! 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 Okay. Bam lang eh! Bam! Huwag kang bumukha ka. Hi! Ang oras na sa Philippines. Madaling araw na, diba? Bakit siya tinawag na madaling araw? Madaling araw? Hindi naman siya madali. Oo nga, no? Bakit yung madaling araw? Bakit kaya hating gabi? Nahati ang kalahati ng gabi. Ang dami nating alam. Saan tayo pupunta? Oo nga, saan ba tayo? We need to shop. Magkano ba tayo? Parang maglakad lang naman. Let's just walk. And pag may nakita tayo. Pero hindi ka na bang lumipad? Ayoko na. Nakakabahan ako. Okay. Lilipad na naman si Darna sa prod. Tapos si Valentina. Lalampaso niyo po katawan niya sa stage. Oo. Gagapang-gapang naman siya. Wait lang. Wait lang. Nakasarado lahat. Saan tayo? Ay, I'm confusion. Parang nakasara lahat eh. Tama ba tayo? Or baka doon? The Adventures of J&J. Hindi ba doon? Open yun ah. Magtanong na lang tayo. Guys, saan bang exit nito? Baka alam niyo. Madaming exit. I think so. Sana ganda sa video. Okay. Wala kami sa LA. Ano kami? Nasaan tayo? We are in New Orleans. Charot. We are in We are in Las Vegas. Nevada. Okay. So magtatanong lang kami. Itsura ko. Bakit? Hindi ko alam. Okay. I think it's this. Ay, bawal tayo dito. Ay. Hi, excuse me. Can I help you? We're just wondering where the exit is. Yeah.
The exit for what?
For the whole, like, to go outside. Yeah.
So I don't understand the
Where
question.
can we pass to leave the arena? Is this an exit?
Yeah, this is an exit right here. Where are you trying to go?
Just walk around here.
Oh yeah.
We're just gonna buy some clothes.
Go to the right of the fence though. There's a fence in this.
The right?
Yeah, this is the exit.
Oh,
Right,
okay.
Yeah, just look that way.
Got it.
Okay,
Thank you.
If you want to go to the main road,
Yeah.
the front of the
Itsura ko. Bakit?
Hindi ko alam.
Okay. I think it's this.
Ay, bawal tayo dito.
Ay. Excuse me.
Can I help you?
We're just wondering where the exit is.
Yeah.
The exit for what?
For the whole, like, to go outside.
Yeah.
So I don't understand. the
Where
question.
can we pass to leave the arena? Is this an exit?
Yeah, this is an exit right here. Where are you trying to go?
Just walk around.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're just gonna buy some clothes.
Go to the right of the fence, though. There's a fence in this.
right
Yeah,
of the
this is the exit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just walk that way.
Got it.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
If you want to go to the main road,
Yeah.
in front of the hotel,
We're just gonna cross.
you can walk along this wall. Go through the hotel and you'll be out on Tropicana.
Alright.
Or you can walk outside the building. It's just so cold out. Yeah, I would do that. Then you'll come right out the main at the very front.
Alright, thank you so much.
Split na ako.
Ako nang balak.
Hindi ko na kaya. Wait lang, saan tayo sasakay? Pwede tayo sumakay dun?
Let's just pass through the hotel para malamig.
Ang pasok na tayo.
Wala ba dito mga taxi or parang wala. Kasi may nakita ko kahapon mga taxi.
Ang dami kasi short. Gusto ko na kaya ka. Hotel pala to. Akala ko. Dito yung G-Force, di ba?
Yeah.
Nandito tayo.
I think
Babe,
basta pasok daw tayo sa hotel.
sarado yung gates
Sabi
eh.
niya.
We're lost here. Yeah, it's close. Yan yata malapit sa pool area. Lamig. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. na para sa kanila. At least alam nila Ate Hitch kung saan tayo.
Yeah. Smells like Play-Doh. Yes. Yes.
Hindi naman nakalabas tayo. Sarap naman ba yung pagdating niya pag-isip mo?
Oo. Kaya doon nag-rehearsal tayo pa.
Yan ang dami natin nilakad kagabi.
Tapos naka-heels.
Oo. Parang sa akin konting tiis. Is this, I think this is arena. Excuse me. Excuse me. Is the arena?
I have no idea. I'm sorry.
Pasok. Nasa saan tayo?
Ayun. Guest rooms. I think dapat doon tayo.
Feeling ko doon na lang dapat tayo lalo na umano ko.
Feeling ko ayaw nilang tayo kasama.
Oo. Introvert siya masyado. Okay lang yun. Introvert din kami. We feel you, bro. camera. Ganun mo.